and make sure you get the car the way it looks. Hey guys, if you have one of these paint jobs that's all faded like this, I mean, this is nasty, okay? Seriously, it's like nasty. When it's like this, do not wax it. What you want to use is Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner. Hello, there, paint cleaner. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on right here. This is why you use this. When your paint job is dirty, faded, sun-baked, oxidized, you want to clean it. It's really hot right now, so, you know, I'm doing it in the heat. You'll note that I'm rubbing back and forth, that I'm cleaning. I'm not putting a wax on, okay? Look how beautiful that's coming out, okay? All I'm doing is cleaning, not waxing. And all you do is go back and forth like this. Now keep in mind that this is a cleaner and it's permanent. Because you're not putting a wax on, this shine that you see coming out is already there. All I'm doing is removing the buildup. Look how beautiful that comes out. Now here's the craziest part. Remember, this is a paint cleaner. Look how nice that came out. You getting the sparkles in there? Okay, look at, there's no wax. This is not a wax, it's a cleaner. So I can use that. Now once you clean it, you want to seal it. This is called easy wax. Use this one afterwards. It's not regular wax. What it'll do, it'll seal it and it'll stay like that. This is not going to wash off because you're cleaning it. You're returning it back. You're polishing and cleaning it back to a smooth and glossy state. Look how beautiful that comes out. And that's permanent, guys. So you want to use this one here, Lukat Fix-It. Look, I'm going to clean a spot over here too. Now you can do this in sections. You don't have to do it all at once. You can do it over a period of time. You can clean a quarter panel, a door, a fender, come back a couple days later, do it again. But all you're gonna do is go back and forth. If you're able to, wash the car first. If not, just clean. Look how beautiful that's coming out. This color is there already. It's just buried underneath the dead paint. So guys, if you want to restore your paint job, this is all you got to do. Use Lukat Fix-It. Save yourself a ton of money. You don't have to repaint the car. So many times when the paint job looks ugly, people assume that you can't clean it and polish it back. And this is the best polisher on the market. Look how freaking beautiful that looks. That's amazing. Look at that. Okay? And again, you know, you can do this over a period of time. You don't have to do it all at once because it's not like you're masking the dead paint. What you're doing instead is cleaning the paint, removing the buildup, and all that buildup takes a long time to get on there. So all I'm doing right now is cleaning, not waxing. The waxing comes afterwards. Don't ever mask a dirty paint job because you're gonna trap all the bad stuff on there. Look at this. Anyways, you just do this to clean the paint. Okay? Again, it's 2 steps. First, you fix it by cleaning it. You polish it and clean it. Now, I'm gonna seal it. This one here. This stuff is sick. It's called Easy Wax. It's a sealer. You use this to seal the paint, hold the shine, and it'll look beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Make sure it dries. Okay, and now you got a clear, flexible, glossy shell. Look how beautiful that comes out. All right, look at that. Voila. Okay, let me do a little bit over here. You see this spot here? Again, you can clean this part of the quarter panel today. Come back next week, you can do this side. It's not gonna fade because you're not masking, you're cleaning, you're fixing the paint. Look at that. You just go back and forth. Look at that. You're just cleaning. You're not waxing. This is permanent. It's not gonna fade away. You're not gonna wash the car and take it off because you're not putting wax on. This is the original state. All I'm doing is cleaning. Look at that. No wax here. That's pure cleaner. Now that I cleaned it, I'm gonna seal it. Look at that. This stuff is gonna seal it, protect it, leave a beautiful gloss on there. Oh, and I keep forgetting, but after you do this, after you clean the paint, what you want to do is seal it, right? Now, if you want to wax your car, you're going to wax that. You're going to wax this. You don't have to, but that'll have way more pop now because it's not, you're not masking this dirty paint. You're not doing that, you're cleaning it. Look at this. Here we go again. Using the Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner. Again, this is not a wax, guys. It's cleaner. You just go back and forth like this and clean that baby up. Remove that buildup, all the contamination. You just get that stuff off. Okay. You can take it to a detailer who'll glaze over it. Take it to a body shop, they'll sand it down and repaint it. Now you can do that, just, you know, got the money. This is simple. You can just clean it like this. Look at the transformation on this thing. Freaking amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Can't stop, I like doing this. Voila. Look at this. Now, again, you go back and forth just like this. All you're doing is cleaning. Yeah. Let's drying up pretty fast right now. Again, guys, I'm doing this in the heat. Wash it, park it in the shade. Take your sweet time. Take your sweet time, guys. You can clean it in sections. You don't have to do it all in one day. This is a permanent fix. Look at that. Look at that. It's just bringing it right back. Now, if you want to use a machine, go ahead. 10 times faster. But if you don't have one, you just want to clean it in sections. Look at this. Man, that's crazy. Hey, how long are we in anyways?
7:14.
It's a lot of the quarter panel done in 7 minutes. And again, I'm doing it under tremendously terrible conditions. So now, seal it all up. You do this to seal up the paint. And it just comes out nice. So the whole point here is to clean the paint, seal it up, give it a beautiful glossy shell. Then once it's sealed up, it'll look fantastic, almost like new. Look at that. Guys, repainting a car nowadays, it's a few $1,000s. That's when it's done correctly, like when they remove the trim, sand it down properly, they put the right primer and the right color base coat and the right clear coat. It's a lot of work, and it's expensive. But look at what you can do with this. Look at it. That's amazing. Anyways, oh, you know what? We should do something here. Look at that. Okay, this is a racing wing or an air dam. Same thing. Guys, just put that on. Remember, this is not shine. This is cleaner. And all you're going to do is go back and forth. No circles, guys. There's no shine in this product. It's pure cleaner. Look at that. Okay? Look how beautiful that's coming out. Voila. It's not hard to do. Take some elbow grease. If you're not lazy, good. It's no big deal. You don't want biceps? Anyways, but look how nice that's coming out. It's just a matter of just cleaning it. Okay? You can't buy cleaners anymore. Everything's wax. This is why everything falls apart nowadays. Nothing gets cleaned. Man, that's beautiful. Look at it. Voila. Make sure that you're getting it. Want to move that way? Look how beautiful that's coming out. Look at it. Again, if you have a polisher, use the polisher, 10 times easier. Don't have one, you can clean it in sections. After you use the Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner, use the Easy Wax. This stuff is amazing because it'll seal and protect all at the same time. This stuff is amazing stuff. Look at that. Just put it on like that. Look at that. How many minutes we in?
10:37.
If we had perfect conditions, this would be parked at the shop. We would have washed it and then start cleaning it in sections. Look how beautiful that paint job looks. Look at this air dam, racing wing, what do they call it nowadays? Look how beautiful that comes out. Look at that. That is just amazing, I tell you. Okay. So hey guys. So Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner, Lukat Easy Wax. Step 1, clean it, seal it. Look how rich and beautiful that'll look. And this is permanent. You can't wash it off because we cleaned it off. It's been polished back to a smooth and glossy state. If you want to add wax to it now, you can, but it stays like that because you cleaned it. So check us out at lukatdetail.com and join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution, guys. Later.